Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another sweet ride at Wheaton Honda. It's a safe and stylish SUV. This 2016 Volvo XC90 Inscription has that distinct Volvo look, and things like 20-inch wheels, a dual exhaust, and roof rails. You'll enjoy a comfortable Nappa leather interior with seating for up to 7 passengers. It features heated and ventilated front seats with power side support and power cushion extension. There's a heated steering wheel, heated second row seats, a panoramic sunroof, 4-zone climate control, and a power tailgate. The Infotainment Center comes with a large tablet-style touchscreen, a surround view camera with sensors, navigation, and Bluetooth. This Volvo also has keyless entry and keyless drive, along with heated side mirrors. The turbo and supercharged T6 engine is good for 316 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, which is controlled by an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's equipped with all-wheel drive, and you can choose between eco, comfort, off-road, dynamic, and individual drive modes. Plus, feel safe on the road, thanks to systems like lane departure warning, collision avoidance, and blind spot monitor. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.